Alright, so if you didn't realize from when I drove in, we're actually at Richmond Estate, and I got the unique opportunity today to come and look at a property for rent, $1,500 US, fully furnished, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's go check it out. But when driving up here, I stumbled upon Mr. Raymond Smith from Smith's Squeaky Clean Labs. They actually reached out to me from before, and I didn't get the opportunity to reach back out to them, but I came here randomly today and bumped into them, and they're here doing what they do best, cleaning and all of that. But we're going to talk to Mr. Smith right now and see what I say. What going?
What going, Mr. Boothe?
There.
How things, man?
Not bad, not bad.
Finally get to meet you.
Stumbled upon, right?
Exactly.
So talk to us. Tell us what Smith's Squeaky Clean Labs is all about.
So Smith's Squeaky Clean Lab and Sanitization Company, basically what we focus on, it's cleaning and sanitization. We have a complete package for customers that we also make cleaning and sanitization products. So we consider ourselves to be the #1 cleaning company in Jamaica where quality is concerned. We have a young staff that is very dedicated to completing the job and to ensure that all our customers are well pleased whenever the team Smith's Squeaky Clean Lab roll out to any locations in Jamaica.
Alright, so talk to them about discount code, man.
Alright, so if you are watching this video and you reach out to Mr. Boothe to book any of our services, you can get a 5% discount on any service that Smith's Squeaky Clean offer. And also remember, if you purchase our cleaning products, and we have the #1 cleaning products in Jamaica, nothing is watered down, the best products, you will even get the 5% discount just the same. So not only for the service, but all our cleaning products.
Alright, mad. So he just told you about it. I'm going to put his contact information in the video as well, so you can reach out to him and you can still get that 5% discount. But we're actually here today, as I was saying, to check out this beautiful property that's on offer for rent. And again, as I was telling you guys, I was actually at another property looking at it. I bumped into the homeowner and she asked me to come out and look at her beautiful property that's on offer for rent. So let's wipe our feet at the door. Hold on. Close this door behind me so Mr. Smith can continue doing his thing. So as we step on the inside, we see where it is a fully open concept space. It is cozy, it is beautiful, it is gorgeous, a really nice space. You have 1, 2, 3 windows right here. You can see on the outside, Mr. Smith is doing his thing. We have a ceiling fan right there, television is mounted right there, and just this whole ensemble is really inviting me to take a seat and just enjoy some time in this living room area to my right. Now to our left is the dining area, and this dining table actually seats 2, 4, 6, and then we have a breakfast counter right here with some beautiful nice stools, bar stools, nice white. These do look like granite countertops. And of course, this place comes fully furnished. You have your stove, you have your panini press, you have your toaster. I call it toaster stove, but here is the stove. You have an ensemble here. I think this is either for a television or a hood. You have ample cabinet space, upper cabinetry, lower cabinetry. There's even an island here with this beautiful plant. Let me smell it. Smells so good. You have the garbage bin that is right there. You have more upper and lower cabinetry on this side. All right, and you have your refrigerator that is here. As you can see, you can put in a bigger refrigerator if you want, but again, this place comes fully furnished. So you have this area right here. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. But you have this area right here, which is your washing area. That is right here. So you can do your laundry on the outside here. All right, and your gas cylinder goes right there. I see an ironing board and iron out here, so in case you don't want to keep that on the inside. And of course, if you know anything or if you don't know anything about Richmond, it is 24-hour security, completely gated. It has a pool, it has a tennis court, there is a supermarket on site as well, a gas station on site. They even have an electric gas station on site. Ever go, Halle, big up yourself. I know you were working on that project. That's my friend from Jamaica Energy Partners. So there's a power electric gas station outlet just inside this property. There is a mango tree. Oh gosh, and I see a cherry tree. I see some cherries on this tree. So for the prospective homeowner, thank you for allowing me to pick a few of your cherries. I'm going to do that right after I finish doing this video. This looks like, what type of tree is this? I don't know which one this is, what fruit it bears. So you guys can let me know in the comments down below. You do have a few banana trees here as well, and a nice little seating area. You can come out in the evenings and relax. And then this area here is grown up, so you don't necessarily have to see your neighbors. I realize your neighbors have pomegranate. Oh, so this is a pomegranate tree as well. Nice. So you can get some fruits, and you have the lovely stone path. There are feet right here. I love that. And then this leads back around to the front where Mr. Smith is doing his cleaning with his team. All right, and nice palm trees in the yard, but we won't go around there. We'll go back to this side. I do see a star fruit on the floor here, which I probably will pick up. Oh, so this is not a pomegranate tree. This is a star fruit tree. Oh my gosh. Can I see some star fruit up there? So, yeah, man. So I'm coming back around to the back when I finish this video for sure, for sure. Oh, and this looks like a lime tree as well. Wow. So you have a very fruitful yard. I'm loving this space. I'm sold. I realize there are air conditioning units on the outside, so we know that the bedrooms are air conditioned. This is the master that we're looking at from the outside here. But let's hop on back inside and try not to slip again. All right. So closing that, we're moving into the area. Nice clock right there where the all right, let's start with this bedroom first. So this particular bedroom, beautifully designed. I love the throw blankets. You can have, I figure more or less this is more like a guest. If a guest comes over, or a set of guests, two guests, they have some twin beds they can sleep on, and a nice little seating area, and this large, this grand mirror. Stop blurping out my face so you guys can see me, and remember to subscribe. All right, but this nice mirror that's right there, and there goes the air conditioning unit. Why is it not a windy? Come on now. You have this beautiful seating area out here. The breeze is blowing heavy, so that's why that's kind of down, and then the palm tree is growing overhead, so it's not up right now, but it can be wound up, wind. You guys, you language people, let me know down in the comment section down below. You have your closet area. I see, and the homeowner has some blankets inside here, so I figure more or less she used to use it as like an Airbnb, but she wants to rent it full-time now, long-term rentals. And then this is the bathroom that is shared with this room right here, and then this room right here. We have a linen closet off the bath. Nice touch. Nice little mirror right there. Beautiful quartz, galaxy white countertops. Toilet paper there in case you need to do what you have to do. In case you have to do the do. Alright. Nice white shower curtain. I mean, shower curtains are really frowned upon, I realize these days, but this set is beautiful. The mats in here are nice and white. Everything is a nice white theme. The lights are white, so it just gives you a nice pristine feel inside here. And then you look out, you see the palm trees there. You have the palm trees on the window curtain, and then that's the bathtub. All right, that's the bathroom in a nutshell. This looks like an additional storage area up top because I do see a pull tab, nice artwork on the wall. And we're going to head into the secondary bedroom right now. So the secondary bedroom is more warm. I don't know if it's because of this yellow light. I would change this to a white light to make it nice and white and bright. But let me tell you, this yellowish orangish light really lends itself to this bed sheet. And if you guys know me, I don't know so you know me already. I am a water baby. I like all things ocean, sea, river, pool, lake. And this comforter is giving oceanic vibes, which I absolutely love. And then the orange hues ties in with it and makes it a nice warm feel. So I don't know if that's why there's this orangish, yellowish hue coming from that light, and then it works so perfectly well with these orangish, peachish walls to the back. And then of course, you know, orange hues of orange pairs nicely with green, and then you have the nice dark brown bedding or tan bedding. So it's tying all these things together. You have upper closet space and lower closet space. Of course, it's your standard. Boom. And I like that the tracks are running smoothly, very fluid. I like that this place is literally just ready for you to move in. Like, considering it's just $1,500 and you get all of this included, what more do you really need if you're somebody who doesn't already have all the furniture and all that stuff? I know a lot of persons are traveling lighter these days, so they don't really have a lot of furniture and appliances and stuff like that. Now, this is the primary suite. Air conditioning, ceiling fan, high ceilings, or the vaulted ceilings as they would call it. The bed looks really nice and large, king size bed. Boom, you have a nice little seating area right here for those of us who like to read, not I. We have this nice mirror right here, hello. We have another mirror right here. And then these mirrors, you have one here, really opens up the space. And even though it is not a small room at all, because I think the room itself, hold on, let me tell you how much. Well, I don't know the square footage of the room, but I do know that inside is 1,468 square feet on the inside for 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open concept living, kitchen and dining. For it to be 1,468 square feet, it does feel nice and sizable. You don't feel chuck up. And then there's a lot of additional storage spaces I do realize inside here. And then the place is decorated so nicely. Like, come on, look at this bathroom. Tell me this isn't calming, welcoming, floating vanity. Nice lights up top, his and hers, vanity. Come on. You have a nice shower off to the side right here. Again, you know, people be frowning upon shower curtains these days, but it's tastefully done inside this home. I certainly wouldn't have a problem living here with a shower curtain and not a glass enclosure. Of course, the toilet is right there, and it kind of is tucked away when you step in. So when you're stepping in, you don't really notice the toilet. You notice yourself. So you step in and you feel nice. Maybe you get a White Barnes candle right here, and you light it up, and nice scents emitting from the bathroom at night, and it's just a whole vibe inside your master suite. All right, but yeah, let me stay in here and finish up. So that's pretty much it for this rental. I would rent it. Let me know if you would rent it, and if you would rent it, don't hesitate to reach out to me at momentsbyboothe@gmail.com, or you can leave a comment down below with your number, and I'll let the homeowner contact you regarding renting this property. It's only going for $1,500 US, fully furnished. You really can't do better than that. It's a one-stop shop because everything is centrally located. You have all your shopping needs just 30 seconds down the road. You have ultimate security. There are cameras all around this place. patrolling that's done frequently, and then even to just get in is extremely difficult. Like, security is top notch. And I've been over here before at a couple Airbnbs over here, and it's the same security personnel that's always at the front. I realize, well, every time I come, it's the same guy, and he's very detailed. Make sure you get the license plate, make sure you know where you're going, make sure you're actually welcomed here. And then, you know, once you get in, you can relax by the pool, you can go play some tennis, you can jog, you can just even sit out by your front, the front of your house, and just enjoy the peace and tranquility. Over here is very quiet. Definitely 110%. I would rent this place if I lived in St. Anne. So if you want to rent it, don't forget to reach out. And don't forget, if you like this property, to leave that down below as well and tell me what you like about it. Is it the decor? Is it the area? Is it the all-inclusiveness of the space in terms of the supermarket being there, the gas station being there, the pool being there? Like, everything is just in a 30-second radius, 2 minutes tops, and you can do everything that you need to do. So living here is just peace, quiet, convenience, and comfort. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022, if possible. And don't forget that if you want to rent this space, to reach out to me on Instagram, or at Moments by Boothe on Instagram, at Moments by Boothe on TikTok, momentsbyboothe@gmail.com, or leave a comment down in the comment section below. Any medium you reach out to me, I'll get you in touch with the homeowner so you can rent this place. Alright, but that has been enough from me. Let me leave you with my quote. The goal is to live life on your own terms, and I'm trying to live life on my own terms, and that's why I want to become a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022, if possible. And all you have to do to support that dream of mine is to hit that subscribe button and to hit that like button. Alright, well, that has been enough from me. AB signing out.